You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing this channel, please do well by subscribing. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is click that red subscribe button and there's a bell beside it. Click on it. And also, please like my video to indicate that you are really enjoying it. Click on the thumbs up. Invite your friends to like my video, to subscribe to my videos, and also you will see some advert at the beginning of the video. Please watch it. Okay, watch it, and if possible you can buy some things, purchase some things from there. All right, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make another type of purse. Okay, so now this is a two-face, double face or two-face material. Okay, plain black. All right, so and I'm using 10 inches by 21 inches for this particular purse. Okay, now I'm going to be doing some things here. Okay, so I want to give this a curve. I want it to have just like the picture you can see at the you see as a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to be needing my pen. Okay, so all I need to do is I'm going to give it a curve like a tree. Okay, so use your pen to just follow the curve. So what you first do is make mark 3 and punch it with your pen. Come to this other side too and mark 3 and punch it with your pen. Okay, so after punching, the next thing is you draw a curve from this end like this, like this, like this, and just follow like this. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my zigzag scissors to follow the curve that I have there. So just follow it the way you have it. Okay, so see what I have. So this is going to serve as my cover. Can you see? Okay, so now and from here I'm going to mark the way I've curved this like this. So I'm going to mark 7.5, 7.5 or 7.5. 7.5 is this. Then line it, give it a mark. Then come to this other side as well. Make sure it's the same. 7.5, 7.5. Okay, and then give it a mark. Okay, so now this is accurate now. Okay, so now the next thing is, so now I'm going to also give this all the sides, but remember I've already marked it, so there's nothing to be worried about. So I'm going to give all this side a zigzag cut just by using my scissors to cut it straight. Cut it straight. Just follow it. Make sure it's very neat. also move to the other side. So you have to do it carefully so that the shape will come out well. But this material is actually very thick, so it's not something you. Okay, so I have this. Okay. So I'm going to it's fixing my zip now. You see what I did? Remember, there's a mark. I'm trying to find our mark. Okay, so this is it. So just see my mark. I use my pen. I showed you how to. So you just place your zip cloth directly on the mark and then sew it round. Alright, I'm going to fix my zip head. So cut off the excess. Make sure it's neat. Okay, so now what I'll do next is I'm going to top stitch so the idea is I'm going to round it. So let me just, instead of starting from that end, you can just start from here so that you go round it at once. decide to so it's an option. You can decide to just leave it the way it is. All right. So the next thing is you can decide to put this husband and wife this gum, or you can decide to use your pin. Okay, so what I will do here is so I used magic tape in this one. If you check my other video, if you want to use a pin, you can decide to use a buckle. Okay, so I'm going to mark here. So I will be placing my this other one here. But it's what I should have done before now. Okay. So it's going to be a bit. So I'm supposed to have put this one before now. So before fixing the your zip, but it will still work actually. But it will be tedious. But if you don't want to stress yourself, you can decide to use glue gun. You just put your gum and that will be all. So what you should do when sewing yours, okay, before you put this zip, just take a look at, fix this first before you fix your zip. That's before joining here. Okay, so this is what I have. So I'm going to be using this angle. This one is key holder. This one you can get it where they are selling all these are bad things. It's a key holder. Just tell them key holder ring. So this is how to fix it. It's very easy, just the way you fix your key to your key holder. Okay. So the next thing now is if you want to fix your angle, actually use your, since this is silver, you should use silver angle, but I don't have silver. Just to show you how to fix your angle, then use anything to hit it. You can use your hammer, or you can use plier to just bend here, press here, press here, press this side, and that's all. So if you want to decorate here, you don't want to leave it like this, you can decide to fix this one. This is how this one goes. But first of all, I'm going to be fixing it in between here. Look for something you can use to punch it. And you can decide to leave it like this. So by the time you punch it, it will be like this. You just have something like a button. Then you press this. But since this is not silver, I don't want to, it's not gold, I will not put it. So you just open this wide from inside, and that's all. All right, now lest I forget, to just cut as long as you want it. I'm going to be fixing this into my key holder. Okay, so let's do something. Should go with this. Okay. So we're going to use top stitch here. Top stitch it very well, and then that's all. So our purse is ready. All right. So thank you for your patience. All right. So see you in my next video. Okay. So just top stitch it. I don't want to waste much of your time. Just fix it this way, like I told you, like this, and come here like this, and top stitch it. Or should we just do it? Let's just do it. All right. So we'll come to the end of today's video. So see you in my next video. Can you see what we have? I fix my phone inside, my money, my pen. A lot of things will go into this. Your Bible and so many other things. So thank you so much for watching today's episode. See you in my next video. So thank you so much. Like, subscribe. Please like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.